In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a NerdWallet account online step by step for 2025. NerdWallet is an invaluable tool when it comes to managing finances, offering insights and advice on a wide range of financial decisions. Whether you're planning your budget, picking a credit card, or managing investments, NerdWallet can help make those decisions easier. Now let's get started on creating your account. First things first, open up a web browser of your choice, such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. You'll want to type NerdWallet into your search engine, which will take you to a variety of link options. Look for the official NerdWallet site and click on the link that says NerdWallet, Finance Smarter. This will bring you directly to their homepage. Once you're here, you can take a moment to quickly explore the homepage, but our main focus is at the top of the page, on the Sign Up button. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the sign up page, you'll begin creating your account by entering some basic personal information. Start by typing in your first name. It's pretty straightforward, but if you run into any issues, ensure that there are no extra spaces or unusual characters. Next, type in your last name. Double check your spelling here since you want your profile to reflect you accurately. After you've entered your name, the next step is to provide your email address. This is crucial not only for logging into your account, but also for receiving important financial updates or any changes to your NerdWallet account. Make sure you use a valid email that you check regularly. Enter this in the designated email field. Now, you'll need to create a password for your account. It's important to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. A good password typically includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Make it something that you'll remember, but not something others could easily guess. Once all your details are correctly filled out, you are ready to complete the process. Click on the Sign Up button to finalize the creation of your account. After this, you might receive an email from NerdWallet asking you to confirm your registration. Be sure to check your inbox and your spam folder just in case to verify your account. And there you have it. You're now set up on NerdWallet and ready to start taking control of your financial decisions with numerous resources at your disposal. Be sure to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with the tools it offers to make the most of your new account. Thanks for following along, and happy managing.